Hey there, and thank for tuning in. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Spotify playlists private using the mobile app. Keeping your playlists private is a great way to protect your listening habits and maintain a bit of privacy on your profile. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. After that, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Social. Now scroll further until you find the option labeled Playlist Visibility. Under this section, turn off public playlists to ensure your future playlists are private. Also, turn off playlists on your profile to prevent any of your playlists from appearing publicly on your profile page. And that's it. You've successfully updated your settings to keep your playlists private. Don't forget to check these settings regularly to maintain your privacy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.